Bionic monomaterial leather is a new generation product that combines innovative materials with textile biomimetic technology, boasting excellent breathability and elastic stretch. Utilizing the latest developed spinning-grade elastic polyolefin and high-flow polyolefin polymer as raw materials, Bionic monomaterial leather is composed entirely of a single material, from leather surface to substrate, allowing for each piece of leather to be recycled more than 5 times. By integrating the elastic polyolefin material modifying technology and biomimetic fiber forming technology, the manufacturing process of synthetic leather is streamlined from over 8 stages to merely 3 stages, eliminating the use of organic solvents or adhesives. By employing material modification and biomimetic fiberization technology, the diameter of leather fibers can be controlled according to usage requirements, achieving the organic touch of cowhide, sheepskin, or even suede. It offers functional advantages such as superior elastic stretch and ultimate comfort breathability, which are superior to genuine leather and other synthetic leather. The technology behind the making of Bionic monomaterial leather will be the key in achieving full recycling in the textile and footwear industries in the future, fully aligning with the international ESG mainstream trend of net zero carbon reduction. Biomimetic texture, elastic breathability, homogeneous recycling, net zero sustainability. Bionic monomaterial leather.